Hi everyone, I am Pravalika. My new ID is TN567. In this video, I am going to explain about arrays and pointers in C++. Firstly, let's consider a two-dimensional integer array. So I am going to give the name of the array as a dataset. My array has 4 rows and some columns. So I'm going to initialize values into this array. First row, I'm going to give values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second row, I'm giving the values as 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. For third row, I'm going to give values as 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. For my last row, which is fourth row, I'm going to give values as 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So in arrays, the indexing starts with zeros. So for first row, the index is going to be 0. For second row, the index is going to be 1. For third row, the index is going to be 2. For fourth row, the index is going to be 3. So likewise, I'm also giving indices for my columns. So here also the indexing starts with 0. For first column, the index is 0. For my second column, the index is 2. For my third column, the index is 3. For my fourth column, the index is 3. And for my fifth column, the index is 4. For my sixth column, the index is going to be 5. And for my last column, for my seventh column, the index is going to be 6. So in the question, they have asked us to access element at third row and sixth column. Firstly, to access the elements in array, we have to use array name. As well as a row index and a column index. By using this syntax, we can access any element in the array. So if, for example, in my dataset array, if I want to access the 0th row 6th column element, I have to give the name of the array and I have to give the row index, which is going to be 0, and my column index, which is going to be 6. So the element at 0th row 6th column is going to be 7. So like this, I'm going to access the elements in an array. So since they have asked the element at third row and sixth column, the element at third row. So here are our indices for our rows. Third row is this row is our last row. So in this row, we are going to access element at column 6, which is going to be 28. So the element at third row, sixth column is going to be 28 in our example. And so they have also asked us to get the element at the by solving this expression. So here the name of the array. Usually the name of the array points to the first row of the array. So data set is pointing to the first row of the array. So we are adding 3 to the data set. So it is pointing to the third row of the array, which is a row with index 3. So it is pointing to the row with the index 3. So next we are adding a pointer to this 3 plus data set. Here we are dereferencing this pointer, which also gives us a pointer to the first element of the row with index 3. So here we are adding pointer to this. So here it suggests that we are adding a pointer. So we are dereferencing this pointer, and it suggests it is giving us a pointer to the first element of the row with index 3. So this pointer to the first element this is index 3 row with within the row with index 3. So it is referring to the first element in the row with index 3. So it is referring to 22. Next we are adding 6 to this, 6 plus 6 to this pointer, 6 plus pointer of a 3 plus data set. So here I am writing the same expression. So here we are moving this pointer to index 6, since we are adding 6 to this pointer. Initially my pointer is here, and we are adding 6 to this pointer, which is going to be 0 plus 6. We are going to move to the index 6 here. So it's going to refer to the address of 28. Next we are here at last we are using pointer to this whole expression, pointer to 6 plus pointer of 3 plus data set, which is going to give us the value at the address. Here we are taking the address of 28. So I'm going to copy and paste this expression. So here we are using a pointer, so which also gives us the value at the particular address. So it is going to give the value at this address, value at the address of 28, which is nothing but the value here is 28. So we are going to access the value at index 6, which is going to be 28. So here a data set of 3 of 6 refers to 28, and the expression they have given, which is pointer of 6 plus pointer of 3 plus data set, refers to 28. So both the expressions refers to the same thing. Here both the expressions are referring to 28 in our considered example. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.